think it was back in 1998 or something like that. I used to live in my van, my 87 Ford Aerostar van, and it was peaceful traveling around, everything, but I snore so loud at night. I used to park by factories and stuff where there was always somebody to watch, whatever. And the word got back to me, sort of say, I heard it before. People can hear me snoring loud 6 feet away. So if you walk past a van after midnight, you hear somebody because it's scared of you. Anyway, dirty police started piling tickets up on my van. That was a long time ago. And then I had tinted windows. Well, you can't see the visuals, but yeah.